Oh, so sorry, there was an issue. So I mean, everybody can rejoin.
Taishi, did you get my question like I typed, or do you want me to type it again?
Uh, can you drop your question again?
Taishi, I have pasted the question.
Hmm? So what does mean instance name? So
Uh,
so
yeah,
you,
so instance name, let's say like you have like let's say you have a block, right? You have like let's say a PCS, right? PCS you instantiate, let's say into some like a block where PCS is being used, and like we have again like sort of block hierarchy. So I wanted to ask like, let's say like there is this PCS block. So when we instantiate that PCS block, we give an instance name, right? So like, can the instance name be controlled, or can it, is there a switch like the instance name will be like like given by the user, something that sort? Because like since we have a multi-level hierarchy, right, the instance name do play an important role.
so wait a moment. So so I want to share screen, but I cannot.
Taishi, did you understand the question?
Also, maybe yes, maybe yes. So I want share screen, but so I cannot.
Sorry. One second, one second. So
Another block instance name can be forgive.
yeah, can you try?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, uh, RGGEN generate only CSS blocks. So
uh,
when you use generated code, uh,
mhm.
uh,
It's like with respect to the RAL, to be like honest, like I'm a verification engineer, so like
uh,
when we like create a RAL model, right?
so you talk HDL path for RAR model.
Sure. Like to just understand question, like ECT question, like say same module, say app.v. So I want actually two times I want to instantiate this module. So I want two
Uh,
times in different the instance name, right?
no, no, no. So let's say like like there is a block. Let's say like let's say UART, right? So there is this block UART, and there is like another block. Let's say like some sort of let's say let's call this block as sub block. So this sub block has UART instantiated in it, and this sub block will be again instantiated on the like chip level or like the SoC level. So my question is like, when the RAL is being generated, is there a way? So like let's say like I have like four subblocks, each subblock has its own UART, right? So
Mm-hmm.
like, is there a way I can like control the instance name? So let's say like
Uh,
UART block zero, UART block one,
Yeah.
UART like block
Okay, I
two,
got it. You want
something like
actually some mean facility to instruct the RGGen to produce the files. I mean, instance win
The instance,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, you need to control the instance name by yourself through the okay, got it. Tashi, is it possible?
Wait a moment.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, take your time.
So, これでいいのかな。いや、よし。Generated large models has HDL path from uh, from CSR block.
Mhm.
So like this. CSR block generated large model has HDL path from top of generated CSR block. So when you use a large model within your test bench, you need to specify HDL path from root to the CSR block like this.
Okay.
So this is my answer.
Uh, all
So
right. Yeah. Since we are like here at the backdoor access, so my question was, let's say like in the RAL, right? In the RAL, I want to like add HDL path, right? So that like I stitch up from, so that I stitch up a HDL path. Let's say I want to access a particular register, right? So using like backdoor access, correct? So like I need to give a particular path, right? Okay. So since we have like macros like UVM HDL deposit or UVM HDL read, like if we give a path, they will like fetch whatever the current value is with zero delays, like like it won't go through the bus, it will just directly go and grab that register. So is there a way like we can specify in the YAML file, right, in the file in which we have declared the registers, the register path, and that register path will be like embedded into uh, the RAL package, right, in the RAL package.sv file, so that like when I like create my test bench and I want to like let's say check a status register, right? Let's say like it might be it has like hardware clear, so it will clear immediately. But after like something has occurred, I want to like immediately read the value. So is it possible, right, from the YAML file, like we can specify the HDL path and we can directly do like uh like backdoor read, like read the register via UVM backdoor.
sorry, I cannot understand your question. So can you your question put chat box?
Okay, hold on.
Or Hitanshu, we can take this as offline maybe. um, that will be good, so
Yeah,
others
yeah,
can answer questions now. We can take it offline.
yeah.
It's a yeah. Taishi, anybody else can, I mean, have any question, please ask. So Hidanshu's question will take offline. Yeah, may need more time.
Yeah.
Okay, if nobody having, maybe Hidanshu, you can just continue. Like so, maybe you can ask. Taishi, is it okay to take that question?
Yeah.
Yeah, Hidanshu, please. Yeah, you can type or
Uh,
Um,
okay. So let's go step by step. So, Taishi, like, can you open a register like from the RAL package, like any random register from the RAL package?
this one?
Yeah, yeah. So let's say this is a register, right? So there are like built-in UVM read write methods, right, to read and write this register, like with respect to like the verification. So my question is, like,
Mm-hmm.
if I want to read this register via backdoor, right? So backdoor, like bypassing the bus. Like I don't want to like do it front door. I want to do it backdoor. So is there a
Uh,
way like I can add path, in the, let's say, the YML file where I've listed all the register blocks, for, let's say, from the, like from the chip top level to the lowest block possible, and that uh, RTL path will
mhm.
be like added into this RAL package, so I can like, like I don't need to like worry about anything. I can just simply do, let's say, like like register dot write and like whatever the value, and then I can specify UVM backdoor. So
Uh,
I hope you got my question.
so you want to use backdoor access, and
Yeah.
so you want to know how to specify HDL path to a register.
Yeah, to the register or to the register block, since like uh every time, like there will be changes in RTL, right? We may have to like again like generate, or there may be changes in the register. We may have to like keep generating the RAL, right? So like specifying path externally, right, by using like set HDL path route, which you did in your RAL monitor, right? So it will like basically override like all the paths, right, to the that particular block. So I'm just curious about this. So in your YML file, right, which you are using to like generate the RAL model. So, is there a way like we can specify the
Uh,
HDL path in your YML file or JSON or maybe in the spreadsheet, so that the path, we can see the path here in the RAL package.sv file?
Sorry, can you put your question to the chat box?
Taishi, I think it's okay.
Or
Uh, we can have actually this offline. Maybe need a detailed discussion. So over mail or like Hidanshu can just ask you in the or
Yeah.
in the git only you can raise issues. That will be great actually. If the feature is not there, like Taishi will be happy to add maybe. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
All right.
yeah. That is fine, right, Tashi?
hmm?
He will
So
be
if
contacting you offline. So either through your mail ID or through the issues in your GitHub page. So
okay, if you have a question, please send an email to this address.
yeah,
Yes, I have it.
So I prefer text communication.
yeah, sure, I understand. Yeah, anybody else having a question? So we can use this last minute time. Otherwise, we can wind up. Uh, please have a question if you have. You can type in chat box also. That also fine. We'll wait 1 minute. So if nobody having question, we'll wind up. Yeah, I think nobody having question. So Taishi,